Are we looking at a big Bollywood COVID scare? Because divas and big actors in the industry, Kareena Kapoor Khan, also one of her close friends and an actor Amrita Arora, also Seema Khan, fashion designer Mahib Kapoor, test positive of the COVID-19 after attending a dinner party, a private party that was hosted by filmmaker Karan Johar, who as per sources has for now tested negative. A BMC team, the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation team, earlier was inside Kareena Kapoor's residence to conduct another round of testing of the actor. The team conducted the RT-PCR test of entire staff of the household of the actor, apart from those like, for example, a security guard at her building. We are also being told from Amrita Arora's side, who's one of the closest friends of Kareena, that she is feeling better than before. Her husband and sons have also tested negative for now. Even the house helps, drivers, guards are also getting their tests done for COVID-19. The BMC team has also sanitized that building and the premises. About Kareena Kapoor Khan, let's take you back to one of the big names of the film industry. Kareena is currently under home isolation and BMC will keep a check on her health. Meanwhile, Karan Johar tests negative. My colleague Anita Brito is outside Amrita Arora's house, where the house was sealed, sanitized by the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation. Here's more on that.
We are standing right outside Amrita Arora's house in Bandra, where the BMC officials just arrived and have sealed the premises. As for the BMC officials, no one can leave the building until and unless all the tests have been done. The BMC officials are right now at Amrita's house testing all the family members of Amrita. So far, only Amrita has been tested positive, while the other tests are awaited. This is Anita Brito with cameraman Sahil, India Today, Mumbai.
So from Amrita Arora's house, let's go across to Kareena Kapoor's, because my colleague Saurabh Vakhtania was there just a short while ago and had spoken to a BMC official about the sanitization process at her home.
किस तरीके की तैयारी यहाँ पे है, क्या कुछ किया जाएगा?
सर फिलहाल सैनिटाइज करने के लिए बोला हुआ है हमको, तो सैनिटाइज करके उनका घर, कॉमन स्पेसेस जो भी है, बिल्डिंग का लिफ्ट है और स्टेयरकेस है, नीचे गैरेजेस है, वहाँ पे सैनिटाइज कर लेंगे हम।
तो आप लोग जो सैनिटाइज करेंगे तो आप घर के अंदर नहीं जाएंगे, आपको पूरी प्रीमाइसेस बिल्डिंग
भी करेंगे, अंदर अलाउड करेंगे तो अंदर भी जाएंगे सर।
So let's get a quick update from Mumbai. Saurabh Vakhtania right outside Kareena Kapoor's residence. Saurabh, is the sanitizing process over? And was this just the building and the premises, or did they manage to go inside the house of the superstar as well?
So Pooja, first the sanitization work actually happened inside and outside the building. This is the building of Kareena Kapoor where she stays. She is under self-isolation at the moment. What the BMC officials told us that if they give permission to sanitize their house, then they will go inside and sanitize inside the house as well. But that permission was denied. The family members clearly said that they have already sanitized the whole house and she is right now in self-isolation. Another important thing right now, Pooja, is that the medical team, the health department team of BMC was just inside. They have conducted the RT-PCR test once again on Kareena Kapoor. They have also done RT-PCR test of each and every member of the house staff. Let me tell you, not just the house staff, but also all the security guards inside this particular building, the cleaning staff and all the other maids who are coming to this particular building, all of them, all the RT-PCR test is now being conducted. In some time from now, the RT-PCR test will be over. Let me show you the board also put up by the BMC official, Pooja. This is the board, and in Marathi it is written that one of the person inside this particular building has been tested positive, and therefore this particular building is being sealed by the BMC official. Until and unless all the RT-PCR test of all the members is not done, nobody can enter or exit this particular building.
Quickly, is this a regular process that the BMC does, or just because she's Kareena Kapoor Khan, she's a big celebrity, a big board has been put right outside the building of her house there on the gate?
So Pooja, this is the usual process.
Okay.
This is the contaminated zone process which the BMC has been doing from the very first wave which took place in the March. What more important here, Pooja, is what the BMC officials are telling us, that these are the celebrities, these are the public figure. And the particular incident which took place on 8th of December, the small get-together which happened, that happened on 8th of December, after which so lot of days have been passed, and therefore these are the public figure or the celebrities who could have gone to some of the events, who could have met more people, and therefore it is very
and that is why, yes, the
important for
BMC
them
even coming
to
out
conduct the
with a
contact
statement
tracing.
that there are accusations of COVID protocol and precautions being not followed by Kareena Kapoor Khan and others. Now let's go across to the residence where it appears that this party was organized. One of the big names, filmmaker Karan Johar. Paras is right outside Karan Johar's residence. So Paras, is it confirmed that his tests have come negative? What are you picking up from outside the residence of Karan Johar?
Pooja, just a moment back, BMC doctor has gone inside and they just told India Today that test has been conducted. Test is conducted right now inside the house of Karan Johar, and all the staff member, all the family members are doing the test. And right now, after some moment, they'll come down and they'll speak to us. But right now, the big thing is that BMC officials and BMC doctors, all the medical doctors are inside and they are conducting RT-PCR test on all the family members of Karan Johar and Karan Johar himself. This all started on 8th of December when Karan Johar has arranged a party on 8th of December when 15-20 people were there inside the house, and after that on Saturday the news came where Kareena Kapoor and Amrita Arora found COVID positive, and now BMC is taking all the precaution and taking all the major steps to stop this this thing. So right now, just a moment back, BMC doctor has gone inside and will update about the thing, what is happening inside the house. But right now the RT-PCR test is still on, and BMC is testing Karan Johar and his family, plus all the staff members who has in connection with or has been staying with
Paras
Karan
and
Johar.
Saurabh, please stay on with me. So of course we hope that all these celebrities who've tested positive do turn negative soon as well. But the fact that BMC has come forth and clearly stated that it appears that these stars could have broken COVID protocols and made it into a super spreader event. What do we know so far about this big party hosted by Karan Johar, that top names like Kareena Kapoor Khan and others, specifically from her close friend group like Amrita Arora, Seema Khan, fashion designer Mahib Kapoor, all of them attended. In this report, you will now understand how possibly a superstar dinner, according to the BMC, could have now turned into a super spreader COVID event.
Kareena Kapoor Khan, Amrita Arora, Seema Khan, and Mahib Kapoor. The fabulous wives of Bollywood and BFFs, who are often spotted partying together, are having a not-so-fabulous time as they are all under home quarantine after testing positive for COVID-19. And it was a party at filmmaker Karan Johar's house that ended up as an invitation for the virus. The divas attended a get-together at Karan Johar's house on December 8. BMC sources say it was Seema Khan who had minor symptoms. When she got tested, her report came positive on the 11th of December. On the same day, Kareena Kapoor Khan and Amrita Arora also got tested, and on Sunday, their reports too came out positive. Mahib Kapoor, wife of Sanjay Kapoor, who also attended the party, has also contracted the virus. Kareena's father, Randhir Kapoor, told India Today that the doctor has said that her infection is mild. BFFs Kareena and Amrita have been seen attending a lot of parties, the latest being at filmmaker Rhea Kapoor's house, which was also attended by Malaika Arora, Karisma Kapoor and Masaba Gupta. All of them are now at risk. BMC, wasting no time, has started contact tracing. So far, over 15 close contacts of the actors have been traced. All those traced are also getting tested to avoid the scope of further spread of the virus. One would now hope that these superstars don't turn into super spreaders. With Amit Tyagi and Saurabh Vaktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
So remember, it was the BMC that had eventually revealed with a public statement that Kareena Kapoor and Amrita Arora had tested positive. It did not come from the actors, came from the BMC, and they sent out an appeal that anyone who could have come in contact with these public faces, big stars, need to also now get their tests done. Saurabh Vaktania is outside Kareena Kapoor's residence, and also Paras is outside Karan Johar's residence, where it appeared that one of that parties, a private party, was organized. Saurabh, what are you picking up on the actor's symptoms right now? How is she recovering? What are the doctors possibly telling you at this point?
So all this started from 8th of December, and the first person to get tested positive was Seema Khan, wife of Sohail Khan. That was on 11th of December, and very same day, Pooja, at the very same day, Kareena, Amrita, Mahib and others actually got themselves tested, and the next day they found to be tested positive for COVID-19. So what they have told the BMC officials that the symptoms are very much mild. The doctors of the BMC and the private doctors have already checked them. The symptoms are very much mild, and they are recovering. And what they are saying is, BMC officials, that every day, every single day, their health checkups will be done. The phone from BMC will go to Kareena Kapoor and other celebrities who have been tested positive for COVID-19. Regular checkups will be done, and also in 3 to 4 days interval, every time their RT-PCR test will also be done. Most importantly, Pooja, like Omicron cases, highest number of Omicron cases are in the state of Maharashtra.
Correct.
Right now, BMC is deciding that whether the reports should be given for genome sequencing or not. That decision will be taken by the afternoon. So then we'll understand that whether their further samples will be given for genome sequencing.
Okay, so whether it is Omicron variant or
not.
not, that is not yet clear, and she right now has mild symptoms. Just to inform our viewers, Kareena had yesterday evening also released a statement stating that all precautions are being taken. She's feeling fine for now, and appears that these are mild symptoms. But I want to now go across to Paras, outside Karan Johar's residence. Paras, isn't it correct that possibly after this party, Karan Johar also attended the Victrina wedding, Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif's wedding in Rajasthan, and that also is where there would have been RT-PCR tests done. So that confirmation coming negative about Karan Johar happened when? Can you tell us? Because the fear is if it could have become a super spreader.
Of course, Pooja, it's a very disastrous situation right now for Maharashtra and Mumbai, as the most of the Omicron cases is in Mumbai and Maharashtra. And this party should have been the most disastrous thing for Mumbai or the people which stays in Mumbai. But right now, the major thing is that BMC is taking all the major steps to calm down this situation, and they are going everywhere. In the morning, they went to Kareena's place, they sanitized all the stuff, and they had done the RT-PCR test. Right now, the team of doctors inside Karan Johar's residence, and they are doing RT-PCR test, and it will be very interesting to see what would be the result. But right now, the situation is very disastrous. The situation is very much problematic for the people who stays in Mumbai, because the party like this can be a major disaster, as we all know that Omicron
could have
variant
become a
is
super spreader, but at least there's some
right now.
positive news, which is that Karan Johar appears to have had his test come negative. Others who have come positive are under home isolation. Anita Brito is outside Amrita Arora's residence, who's one of the close friends and also has been an actor in the film industry. Amrita, what are you picking up? Anita, what are you picking up from Amrita Arora's residence? Has the sanitization procedure been concluded? What are you picking up about the symptoms of Amrita Arora? Is also her symptoms mild, just like Kareena Kapoor's?
Hi Pooja, so right now we are outside Amrita's house, where the BMC just in the morning sanitized and have sealed the premises right now. The BMC officials, on the other hand, at one corner, they are right now doing all the tests of the guards, drivers, maids, They went to, in the morning at Amrita's house and they tested the husband and the two kids were, according to the BMC officials, they have tested negative. And they are continuing doing the other tests right now of the building members and the guards and the maids. So right now, all we know is that they are testing. We can show you where they are testing right now. I can take you out there. One of the doctors from the BMC officials have gone to Karina's house for more details. Right now, half the guards have been tested while we wait for the maids. And as per the officials, they are also going to test the other building members and the owners of the house, which are soon going to be coming down for the test. So this is the back entry of Amrita's house, as you can see, and we can show you all of them testing. There are those BMC officials doing the RT-PCR test. So as of now, this is what we know about Amrita's house.
So thank you, Anita, for getting us that update. Anita Brito telling us and showing to us how the BMC officials are getting tests done for others in that premises, which is also called as contact tracing. Saurabh, Paras, Anita, keep tracking all the latest. While we, of course, hope that these celebrities will test negative soon, we also hope that there wouldn't be any super spreader event that would have come from this party. And the BMC reminding that do not let your guard down. COVID-19 is still around us.